Pal cooling towel designed to stay cool for hours so you can feel comfortable on hot days. Simply soak it in water, wring it out, then snap in the air to trigger the evaporative cooling effect. When the AC breaks down or when that highly anticipated vacation is met with unbearable heat, there's no need to worry. The Chill Pal provides instant cooling relief so that you and your loved ones can enjoy the day without breaking a sweat. Our customers love the Chill Pal for many occasions. Whether it's a day hike or a quick tennis match, our cooling towel is a guaranteed way to make sure you finish your game, even when the hot weather comes out to play. What are you waiting for? Get your Chill Pal today and start to enjoy those hot days out.
Managing your fleet doesn't have to be complicated. Keeping things simple is what Aware GPS does best. We make the features you need the most easy to use for maximum benefits. Reduce costs with detailed idling reports and more efficient routing. Stop speeding and reduce accidents with safe driving report cards. Improve your operations with better dispatching and tracking time spent on job sites. Vehicle maintenance tracking ensures you never miss a scheduled service and your fleet stays on the road. With Aware GPS, you'll never wonder where your vehicles are during the workday or after hours. You'll receive alerts when your vehicles enter and exit job sites and other locations you define, or if they move during unauthorized hours. With Aware GPS, you'll have peace of mind and the power of GPS tracking to manage your fleet simply and affordably. Track, measure, save.
Introducing Zeus, the world's first truly smart car charger. Designed in Germany, Zeus has both brains and beauty. The elegant shine lighting system provides enhanced visibility in dark environments. And most importantly, Zeus is the only smart charger that can help you find your car. When you're at a loss, simply open the Zeus app and follow the red arrow to find your car. Zeus also sports a powerful smart chipset to deliver the swiftest charge to any device. Charge 2 iPads at 2 times the speed of normal car chargers. Zeus is also the only charger to meet US military high-temperature standard. Another reason why Zeus is different. 2 times the speed, 2 times smarter, never lose your car.